In industries where safety is paramount, fire-retardant ESD flooring provides a critical layer of protection. This specialized flooring combines static dissipation with fire-resistant properties, making it an ideal choice for environments handling flammable materials or sensitive electronics. Enhanced safety. Fire-retardant properties help slow the spread of flames, providing critical time for evacuation and fire response. This is especially important in manufacturing plants, laboratories, and data centers. Compliance with regulations. This can help companies maintain compliance and avoid penalties. Antistatic vinyl flooring made by Y.H.F factory meets China GB8624 standard. The combustion performance reaches the flame-retardant BS1, T0 level. Also, our ESD PVC flooring meets European N13501 standard. The test result of fire classification is BFLS1 issued by SGS. Investing in fire-retardant ESD control flooring is a proactive step to boost workplace safety and protection. Combining fire resistance and static control, it aids a safe, compliant, and efficient work environment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.